Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Hug Puppy ID116 Plus smartwatch. You can tell from the photo over here what the smartwatch looks like. There are some features mentioned as logos right over here, like a heart rate monitor, a temperature calculator, and pedometer, GPS locator, etc. And also notification for call alerts, etc. That all of this is mentioned as logos right over here. There's some information at the back. This particular smartwatch has a display of 1.3 inch TFT. It's a 1.3 inch TFT display screen. It supports Bluetooth 4.0 and it has data save time of 1 month and a battery of 150 mAh. It also has a charging time of 2 hours. So this is what you find inside the box. This is of course a user manual. This part is written in Mandarin, but I will see if there is an English variant. There probably is. There you go. This is the Smart Wristband User's Manual, as it's written over here. You can see the Smart Wristbands User Manual. We'll leave this here. This is the charging cable for this particular smartwatch. I'm going to leave this one here as well. There you go. Okay. I'm going to leave them here. And this is the smartwatch. The straps can be taken off like this, as you can see. I'm going to put the straps on. I'm going to attach the straps to this particular watch. So that's very easy. That's all you have to do is push them in like so, and you're done. And the moment I do this, you can see some display, but the power is very low. So yeah, I'm not going to attempt turning it on right now. So this is a pretty large display. This is a 1.3 inch TFT display, as mentioned earlier. This is your heart rate monitor right over here, and these are the straps that we were talking about. It looks plasticky. It's made out of plastic, obviously, but it has a tough and rugged design to it, which kind of goes with it. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Hug Puppy ID116 Plus smartwatch. Thank you for watching.